Hey everyone. Happy Sunday. Well, I am on my way back from Hartford, and I thought I would just take advantage of this opportunity since I'm sitting in traffic here, just to talk about the special program that we are offering as a collaborative, right? So I met this wonderful young lady, very talented young lady, and where her talent lies is in a natural way of firming and toning the body. So she is certified in this particular aspect of her craft, which is radio frequency and wood therapy, in which it's an art. I have to describe it as an art in which this procedure is able to reduce cavitations, which are cellulite pockets in the skin, and to tone and firm and tighten the skin. So I'm sure there are people who might have questions as to why a naturopathic physician specializing in chronic disease and naturopathic oncology would form such a collaboration. And the reason is because there are so many women, and from all ages, representing all ages, and I'm seeing a lot more of young women going under the knife to improve their physical image, right? So to get rid of cellulite, to tighten, to tone, and to sculpt the body. And with any surgical procedure, there's a huge risk that comes with that. Going under anesthesia, the risk of infection from the surgery, the risk of blood clots, the risk of air emboli. There are a lot of risk factors involved in a surgical procedure. And so I wanted to, talk about that, those risk factors. There are a lot of people who die during these surgeries. We don't hear a lot about them, but there are a lot of people who do. There are a lot of women who, for cost reasons, will travel outside the United States to other countries for these procedures where it might not be as expensive. However, the medical safeguards that we are fortunate to have here in the United States, those safeguards are not available in these countries. So a lot of women, they go out, they leave the United States, and they go to these countries, and many of them are, I would use the word, maimed. And many of them are disfigured horrifically. But, we don't see that side, the horrible and horrific side of this. We see the glamorous side, right? We see people, going and having these procedures done and showing their, thoroughly sculpted bodies with their six packs and their toned, abs and legs, or, whatever they get worked on. We see that. But again, there's a not so glamorous side of this business that doesn't get its share of publication in the media or elsewhere. And so it was important for me to support any type of procedure that is natural, right? That has the potential to provide results, positive results. Now, these procedures that are offered, the radio frequency treatments and the wood treatments, they are used in conjunction with dietary modifications as well as exercise, right? So there is some work involved here. It's not a magic bullet, but it is a natural way to tone and sculpt the body. And so, particularly when you're pairing these, the wood therapy and the radio frequency treatments that this young lady has available, Monique, when we pair them with far infrared sauna treatments, where you're able to burn a lot of calories and a lot of fat through the processes of thermogenesis, where you're using heat, and also, cleansing the colon, right? And addressing inflammation in the gut, that would prevent one from losing weight, because you've got gut inflammation, right? If you have gut inflammation, you're going to hold on to fluids. Part of the inflammatory process is fluid retention. So by addressing the gut, and also red light therapy, right? So red light therapy or photodynamic therapy or photobiomodulation is also very effective in terms of supporting weight loss. So we have created what we believe to be a dynamic package, and we have 3 options that would allow one to be able to sculpt a more firm body naturally, right? Without the scalpel and without the dangers of surgery. So, and I'm saying possible dangers of surgery, because if you go through a surgical procedure yourself, you have to sign off on a document that indicates that you are aware of everything that could possibly go wrong. So why not avoid that, right? If you can, with a natural modality and natural means of toning and firming the body, and slimming down, all, without the invasiveness of surgery. So, check it out. It's on my page, Adonai Optimal Health and Wellness. Look into it. If you would like to, give the package or one of the packages as a gift to somebody who is interested in firming, toning, and slimming the body. If you are a spouse and you would like to give it as a gift, to your significant other, that's a way of doing that as well. So check it out. Check out our Slim, Tone, and Firm package. And this is a collaboration between myself, Adonai Optimal Health and Wellness, and Waist-Snatched by Monique Ray. Okay? So we did offer a 10% on our packages for Black Friday, but Black Friday has gone, right? But there will be another discount offered for Cyber Monday, so please don't miss out on that. Take advantage, guys. Put your best legs forward for the holiday, toned and firmed legs for the holiday. Give yourself the opportunity to to be your best for the holidays, okay, and for the upcoming new year, okay? Do that naturally and as non-invasively as possible, but yet effective way, okay? All right, guys, thank you for listening. It is starting to rain here, and I'm sitting in traffic. Let me just turn this so you can have a look where I am. So I'm pretty much stationary right now, getting ready to go into the tunnel. So yeah, thanks for listening, guys, and enjoy your afternoon. Take care.